I'll see you tomorrow. Of course. Bye, Apple Bloom. Bye. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna get to go with Diamond Tiara to the beach tomorrow. Hey, Apple Bloom, you know it's unhealthy to talk to yourself, right? Well, of course I do. Well, then why are you doing it? By the way, Cousin Apple Fritter's here now. Oh, cool. Hey, Apple Bloom. It's been a long time since I've seen you. Well, I need to get to bed. I need to have plenty of rest for tomorrow. Bye. Night. Night. I wonder what goes up in that little Philly brain of hers. Well, come on, Apple Fritter. It's time for bed. Yep. It's dark. No. I gotta go. Bye, family. Love y'all. Gotta go. Meet Diamond Tiara at beach. What'd she say? Don't know, don't care. Gotta go see Diamond Tiara. Apple Bloom, you buried yourself. Oh, yeah. Can you help me out? Oh, yeah. Thank you. Anyway, look what I found. It's this weird contraption-y thing, and people put sand in it. Check it out. Whoa. That's cool. Well, I was thinking it might be fun. We could try it by getting in the cart things with the sand going. So we would like ball and stuff. Ooh. Are you sure Applejack or Rarity will want us doing that? Oh, they don't care. Come on. Oh. Yes. Okay. I'm not doing it. I'm sorry. I can't. Suit yourself. Giant handful of scooping sun. Ah! Help me! Help me! It won't move and I'm stuck. Apple Bloom, help me! Diamond Tiara! Oh no. I'm helping! Oh no! Now I'm stuck too, thanks to you. Sorry. We could possibly die here. I hear when it disreacts. No, not good things happen. Just to let you know. Okay. But why would you tell me that? Sorry, Diamond Tiara. I just want you to know that you were the best pony friend. You were the best PBFF ever. Ooh, Apple Bloom. But this shan't be the end of us. What do you mean? How else am I supposed to live? Are we supposed to just, stay here for the rest of our lives? I don't know, but there's a way we can do this. I just know it. Okay, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you with my life here. Good. Now, trust me. I'm trusting you. Promise.
Where's the way out there?
Yes. Okay. Here we go. Oh, this isn't working. Your sneezes! There's Christmas! was weird. We should get to your house and clean up before anyone finds out about this. Yeah, come on. Oh, guys, let's open up.